line spectrum and
band spectrum.
band spectrum. So it is a best example for line spectrum of hydrogen. Okay, na? In line spectrum of hydrogen, you have to fix in your mind all these points. Okay, na? These points are very helpful for second PUC physics also. Second PU physics as it is concept you will get. So please remember in your mind. Line spectrum of hydrogen gives different spectral lines. These spectral lines are Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series, and Fund series. These are the different line spectrums of hydrogen. What are the different line spectrums of hydrogen? Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett, Fund series. So these are the different lines of hydrogen spectrum. So in these different lines, students, please remember, in these different lines, the Balmer series is very important. Why? Because Balmer series is observed. Balmer series is observed in visible region. Balmer series is observed in visible region. So that's why Balmer series is very important. Okay, na? What is the use of these spectral lines? These spectral lines, wavelength as well as energy as well as frequency, we can calculate by using one equation that is called Rydberg equation. No need to worry. Just observe very simple problems. Okay? You will get very simple problems. All that problems we will discuss in this class. Okay, students? Okay? Rydberg equation. What is the use of this Rydberg equation? If anyone will question, suppose if your neighbors will ask, oh, you are reading chemistry, the atomic structure is going on. What is Rydberg equation? They may ask. So you have to say Rydberg equation is nothing but the equation which is used to calculate energy or wavelength or wave number of any spectral line. You have to say. After that, they may ask, say what is Rydberg equation? Please remember, Rydberg equation is equal to mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. You know this formula?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is the formula. So what is the Rydberg equation means? You have to say formula. Mu bar is equal to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Mu bar illandre 1 by lambda. Eradu onde appa. No need to confuse. So please once drill this formula. What is Rydberg equation? Mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. That is equal to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Clear, students? Here, please listen. R is called Rydberg constant. What is R value? R is called Rydberg constant. Its value 109,677 centimeter inverse or 1.09 or 1.09 into 10 power 7 and 6 into 10 power 7 meter inverse. You can take either centimeter inverse or meter inverse R value. Okay, 109,677 centimeter inverse or 1.096 into 10 power 7 meter inverse. Now, shall I explain how to substitute the values? Say for example, these are the different energy levels in hydrogen. Different energy levels in hydrogen. So in these different energy levels, electron is coming from fifth shell to first shell. Fifth shell to first shell. Electron is coming from fifth shell to first shell. Fifth shell to first shell. Here, what is N1 value and what is N2 value? Now I will say, please remember, always N1 value should be less than N2 value. Always N1 value should be less than N2 value. N1 value should be less than N2 value. That is the condition. Andre N1 value what I have to take? Can you say?
1.
Very good. N2 value 5. Okay. Clear? Are you clear about it?
Clear,
Okay.
sir.
Next, if you take Lyman series, what is the N1 value? In the last class we discussed it. If you take Lyman series, what is the N1 value? N1 value is fixed for Lyman series, that is 1. I given one tabular column.
Yes, sir. 1.
What is the N2 value for Lyman series? Sir, Balmer
2,
series.
3.
Balmer series. N1 value.
2.
So N1 values are fixed for series. Andre Lyman series means we have to take 1. Balmer series means we have to take 2. Lyman Balmer Passion means 3. Bracket means 4. Fund means 5. These values you have to take. Clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Now please write down this formula. Please write down this formula. These two formulas, please write. Yes, completed, students. Yes or no?
No, sir. 1 minute, sir. Writing.
No need to confuse. Formulas are very, very important. You have to remember.
Sir, hydrogen atom like species means?
Hydrogen atom like species means He2 plus. Sorry, He plus. He plus andre ಎಷ್ಟು electrons? He means 2 electrons. He
1
plus.
electron. 1 electron.
It is looking like hydrogen only na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Li2 plus. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇದೆ.
Electron.
That is also hydrogen atom looking like Be3 plus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is hydrogen atom like species means. Hydrogen atom like species means species which contain single electron. Species which contain single electron are called hydrogen atom like species.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, na? Students, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
You except you, no one is responding today. One girl is responding, but that girl was absent today. Vinay Gangadhar, Sharan, Sumukh Sharma, please respond. Okay, Nama, please write down the problem. What are the frequency? What are the frequency and wavelength? So please observe this question, you can understand easily. What are the frequency and wavelength of a photon? Frequency and wavelength of a photon emitted emitted during a transition from n is equal to 5 to n is equal to 2. N is equal to 5 to n is equal to 2 state. N is equal to 5 to n is equal to 2 state in the hydrogen atom. In the hydrogen atom. Okay, now students. Now I will explain this question. Please observe. Okay. First, to calculate a transition from n is equal to 5 to n is equal to 2 state in hydrogen, what we have to calculate? Wavelength and frequency. So, what is the formula to calculate wavelength and frequency? Mu bar is equal to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is the formula. Yes, students, is there any doubt in this? No doubt, I think. Say,
No doubt.
Okay.
No, sir.
Idralli n1 is equal to what? N2 is equal to what? He given in question two states now. Please, Abhay, you don't say. Remaining how to say. Evangeline, Charan.
Sir, N1 is 2, N2 is 5.
5. Very good. Good. Keep it up. N1 is equal to 2, N2 is equal to 5. Meghana, is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Always N1 value should be less than N2 value. Please remember, that's all. Now, R value you know 109,677 centimeter inverse. Okay, na? Now, please remember, mu bar is equal to 109,677 into 1 by n1 value of 2 square minus 1 by n2 square n2 of 5 square. Mu bar is equal to 109,677 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 square and rest of 25. Students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, mu bar is equal to 109,677. What is LCM? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 25. 100. This is how many times will go?
25.
This is
4.
25 minus 4? 21. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Clear.
Okay, na? 109,677 into 21 divided by 100. How much, ma? How much you will get? Can you say?
2302.17.
That is equal to 2302.17 centimeter inverse.
Sir, 23032, sir.
23032.
32.
32. Okay.
32, yes, sir.
Any difficulty up to here? No difficulty. Whatever the n1 values, n2 values given, we can do like this now. Students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, we know wave number. If you know wave number, we can calculate wavelength now. What is the formula? Mu bar is equal to
1 by lambda.
Aita, mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Lambda is equal to 1 by mu bar. That is equal to 1 by mu bar value how much? 23032.17. How much, ma? 1 by 230.3217. In scientific notation, is a 4.34 into 10 power minus 5. 4.34 into 10 power minus 5 centimeter, not centimeter. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದು -7 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? 434 into 10 power minus 7 centimeter. That is equal to 434. So 1 nanometer is equal to how many centimeter? 10 power minus 7 centimeter. So that's why instead of 10 power minus 7 centimeter,
434 nanometer.
Okay. Next, frequency formula. This is the second step. This is first step. Next, third step. Frequency formula. Nu is equal to nu bar into C. That is equal to nu bar value how much we got? This one 23032. 23032 into round the figure I am taking a point after point I am not taking into C value in centimeter 3 into 10 power 10 10 power 10 that is equal to scientific notation 6.909 into 10 power 14 scientific notation. Yes. So this is the answer. Somewhat lengthy but easy only. Any difficulty in this?
No, sir.
Calculation
No, sir.
you have to take some time. Okay, na? Easy only na? Any difficulty? Megana?
No, sir.
Neha, Pawan? Okay, please copy.
Sir.
Please copy. Yes, completed students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very good. Students, my intention is you should not feel difficulty any topic. Okay, na? Few topics you can understand easily by explaining 1 or 2 times, but few topics will take some time. So such type of topics you have to read number of times. Okay, na? You have to read number of times to remember. So these formulas you should not forget easily. So you have to fix in your mind wherever you go. These formulas are very very important in atomic structure units. Okay, students. Okay. Now, shall we discuss a few more questions? Okay, na? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will give some questions of homework. So before that, I want to give some directions to solve the questions. So particularly for objective related. Students, please listen. No? So generally, in objective examination, they ask questions related to Balmer series. Why they are asked particularly Balmer series means Balmer series is the spectral line which is observed in visible region. That means what we can observe with our eyes, that is Balmer series. Remaining we cannot observe. Okay, na? So that's why Balmer series is important. Please remember now. For Balmer series, N1 is equal to 2 1. It is fixed. So N1 value what we have to take for Balmer series? 2. Fixed. What about N2 value? Okay, na? Please listen. Now I will say some directions. Sometimes, listen students. He may ask, calculate the wave number of Balmer series of H alpha line, he will say. H alpha, H beta, H gamma. Please remember, N2 is equal to 2 for H alpha line. If he given in question alpha means we have to take 2 ma. Next, N is equal to 3 for H beta line. N is equal to 4 for H delta line. So these are very important. N is equal to 2 for H alpha, N is equal to 3 for H beta, N is equal to 4 for H delta. Okay. In addition to this, sometimes he may ask, calculate the wave number of Balmer series for shortest line, shortest wavelength. Calculate the wave number of Balmer series for shortest line. Please remember, shortest line means N2 value we have to take infinity. Shortest wavelength line means what is the N2 value? Infinity. For shortest wavelength, N2 is equal to infinity. Similarly, for limiting line, N2 is equal to infinity. For these two, infinity. For higher wavelength, N2 is equal to 3. So these you have to remember for solve objective related questions. To solve objective related questions. Okay, Nama? Okay, now I will explain one question. Please write down this. This is for objective, particularly for objective, this part. After this topic, I will give you 2 questions of homework. Please try your home. You can understand easily.
Yes, sir.
Suppose shortest wavelength andre ya series you take. Suppose Lyman series. N1 value fixed 1. N2 value we have to take infinity. Okay na? Is completed?
Yes, sir.
Please write down. I hope you can do easily these questions. You have to, will you report the answer for these two questions? For single question, I am giving two sub questions. Please try yourself, no problem. Write down. Calculate the, calculate the shortest, shortest and longest wavelengths. Calculate the shortest and longest wavelengths in hydrogen spectrum. In hydrogen spectrum of Lyman series. Hydrogen spectrum of Lyman series. I repeat the question. Calculate the shortest and longest wavelengths in hydrogen spectrum of Lyman series. Okay, na? Hint I want to give students. For Lyman series, like this, N1 is equal to 1 fixed. N1 is equal to 1 fixed. For shortest wavelength, N2 is equal to what I have to take? You do
Infinity.
something. You do N2 is equal to infinity. N2 is equal to what for longest wavelength?
3.
2. Next line we have to take for Lyman series. For Balmer series, andre 3 you have to take.
Okay, sir.
ಅದು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಮನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1 ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್. ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್. ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ.
Sir, 1 by infinity square what, sir? Value. Sir, you will get
1 by infinity square means you will get 0.
Yes, sir.
Not predictable. That you have to say math student to me. I am not math teacher now. You have to say sir 1 by lambda square if you do we will get 0 sir, like that you have to say.
Okay, sir.
No problem, take 2 minutes time.
Sir, for shortest wavelength, lambda is 1 by r.
ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ.
Sir, I'm telling answer.
You do like this first. Previous problem we did that. This is what I will get. You will get 1 only, I think.
Yes, sir. Into 1 we'll get.
Yes, sir.
Next. Lambda is equal to 1 by
1 0.
Okay na? That is equal to lambda is equal to 1 by new bar value how much?
1096.
How much will we get?
Sir, 9 point something.
Say that's you can use calculate.
Sir, 9.11768.
into scientific notation.
Sir, here in calculator it is coming something 4E and all, sir.
4
Sir, no, sir, it is coming something E and all. That,
E under 10 power minus apa. 9.11 into 117 or 116 into 10 power minus 6 centimeter. Aita lambda is equal to, so you can convert into nanometer na. Nanometer means how many angstrom means 10 power minus 8 centimeter na. The 10 power minus 8 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 911.6 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. ಅಂದ್ರೆ lambda is equal to 911.6 angstrom. ಇದು ಸರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ. Longest wavelength is 2 square by how to take. Longest wavelength that is equal to 2. Now can you solve? U bar is equal to how much you will get LCM for 3 by 4?
Sir, I've got 3 by 4.
Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. Say final answer at least. What is the answer? Charan? Any student can say answer? Sumuk? Sharan?
Sir, new bar I got 822.5 angstroms.
New bar angstroms irallappa. New bar meter inverse or centimeter inverse. Angstrom means that is for wavelength. So final answer you will get 1215.7 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter you will get. Wavelength I am telling you.
Yes, sir.
1215.7 10 power minus 8 centimeter. That is equal to minus 8 centimeter ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 angstrom ಅಲ್ವಾ. 1215.7 angstrom. ಇದು answer. Okay. So these are the questions related to. After that, I will give some questions. You have to practice in home. Tomorrow, you have to say the answers. Please complete this one. Response should be quick. Please say after completion, send message.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Write two more formulas, ma. This I will say in objective. Important formulas. Write down. Maximum number of lines produced. Maximum number of lines produced when an electron jumps from. I repeat. Maximum number of lines produced when an electron jumps from. When an electron jumps from nth level to ground level. Nth level. Nth level means 6th, 7th, 8th, whatever it may be, to ground level. Nth level to ground level. Is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. N into n minus 1 by 2. Here n means difference now. N means difference means suppose it is coming from 7th to 1st. 7th to 1st means what is the difference? 7 minus 1, 6. That is n is equal to difference. Okay. Next, one more formula. Maximum number of lines produced. Maximum number of lines produced when electron jumps from N2 orbit to N1 orbit. N2 means higher orbit, N1 means lower orbit, not ground level. N2 orbit to N1 orbit is equal to sigma N2 minus N1. Sigma N2 minus N1. Okay, sigma N2 minus N1. This is the formula. Suppose fifth level to third level. How many lines produced? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 means 3 sigma you will get. Sigma 3 means what? How can you write? Sigma 3 means 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. Like that we have to write. So these are the two important formulas. Maximum number of spectral lines produced when nth level to ground level, N2 orbit to N1 orbit. Okay, na? Please write down the two formulas. Yes, completed, ma.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Two questions I will give. Please solve in your home. Ma. Please write down the two questions. Calculate the wavelength of light emitted. Calculate the wavelength of light emitted when the electron jumps from n is equal to 4 to TO2, n is equal to 2 level. N is equal to 4 to n is equal to 2 level. N is equal to 4 to n is equal to 2 level. Okay, calculate the wavelength of light produced when electron jumps from n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 2. Only wavelength enough. Okay, na? Formula already you know na, mu bar is equal to r into 1 by n1 square into 1 by n2 square. You please apply that formula. Next question, ma. See this question, you have to calculate energy. How to calculate energy? To calculate energy, what we have to calculate? E is equal to hc by lambda. Andre lambda calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ E is equal to h nu. ನೀವು calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Do try yourself. You can understand this. In hydrogen atom, electron jumps from fourth orbit to first orbit. In hydrogen atom, electron jumps from fourth orbit to first orbit. Find the wave number, wavelength and energy. Find the wave number, wavelength and energy associated with the emitted radiation. Associated with the emitted radiation. If you solve these two questions, you can good command. You will get good command over this topic. Okay, now students. So this is about line spectrum of hydrogen. Line spectrum of hydrogen. Okay, now? So to compulsory tomorrow you have to say the answers. Whatever it may be wrong or correct. Secondary, you have to try now. You have to show the answers for me. Next, in the next class, we will discuss about Bohr's atomic model. What we will discuss? Bohr's atomic model. We will discuss. Okay, now students. Thank you. Thank you very much. So please remember the formulas. Don't neglect. So already I sent syllabus now. So please follow that syllabus according to the given syllabus. You have to write the examination. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.